National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Raleigh County in southeastern West Virginia, southeastern Fayette County in southeastern West Virginia, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Hope, Oregon, 9 miles northeast of Beckley, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beckley, Babcock State Park, Oak Hill, Mount Hope, Bradley, Piney View, Stafford, Prosperity, Meadow Bridge, and Thurmond. This includes Route 19 between mile markers 2 and 13.